Hello, my Math Independent Study student. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify expression by combining like terms. Okay, let's go ahead and draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. And don't forget to write your question on the left-hand side of the vertical line. Okay, so now let's begin. So what is a term? A term is a number or the product of a number and one or more variable. Raised to a power. For example, these are the terms 2, 3x, 4x squared, x to the power 3. Let's begin with example 1. Here we ask you to simplify this expression for, not 9, 4x minus 9x. So first we can see that these two terms, they are like terms because they have the same variables, the same power or exponent. In this case will be 1. So therefore you are going to subtract the coefficient. Okay, so think about 4 minus 9 will give you negative 5, and then just copy the variables. Let's move on to example 2. Negative 2x squared plus 13x squared. Again, these two terms, they are like terms, they have the same variable, which is x, and the same power or exponent, which is the 2. So you're going to go ahead and only find the sum of the coefficients. So this can be negative 2 plus 13 will give you 11, and just copy the variable and its exponent. Let's move on to example 3. Now you have negative 5x minus 3x plus 6 minus 3. So in this expression, you can see right here, let me use a different color. So these two terms are like terms because they have the same variable and the same power. In this case, the power of the exponent is 1. So you can go ahead and combine these two negative numbers, negative 5 plus negative 3, so it'll be negative 8, and then bring your variable along. Now you do the same thing. You do these two terms, they are like term 2, they only a constant or number. So 6 minus 3 is just positive 3. Let's move on to example 4. we have 6x minus 10x minus 4y plus 12y. Okay, so let's go ahead and highlight the like terms. So the first two terms, they are like terms because they have the same variable, which is x. Okay, so if I go ahead and combine these two like terms, I will have 6 minus 10 should be negative 4, and bring the variable along. And let's highlight the next two terms. This also like term, they have the same variable y. So now I'm going to go ahead and combine the coefficient in front. So I have negative 4 plus 12 should be positive 8, and then bring the letter y or the variable y. Okay, let's move on to example 5. Here we have 0.5 x squared plus 1.3 plus 1.8 x squared minus 0.4. So now the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to rearrange the expression so that all the like terms will be next to each other. So let's start with the like term that have x squared that have x as the variable and the exponent of 2. So we have 0.5 x squared, and then we have positive 1.8 x squared, and now we just copy the number. So this decimal, negative 0.4, and then plus 1.3. Okay, now we can combine like term easily. So that will give us these two items, they are like term. Okay, so that will give us 0.5 plus 1.8 be 2.3, and then copy the variable x and the exponent, and you do the same thing with the two decimal. Negative 0.4 plus 1.3 is positive 0.9. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw a horizontal line and write out our summary. So in this video, we learned to simplify expression, by combining like terms. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in class. Good night.